Welcome back to the channel. On our previous video, I talked about double top strategy and how accurate it is. And if you haven't checked that video, you should probably check that video to get more knowledge about it. But just for a quick review, I said when there's a double top, the market would sell, and in majority of cases, the market often follows that same pattern over and over again when there is a double top. And it's a good sell entry to make profit from the market. Alright, so now let's get into today's video where I'll be talking about price action strategy plus how to use few indicators to trade US30 to be profitable on the market. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So how do we trade US30 with price action strategy and the use of few indicators? Now, we all know that price action, the basics is when price gets to the higher high, you place a sell, and when price gets to the lower low, you place a buy. All right, you place a buy. So what we're doing right here is simply using price action strategy plus indicators. So firstly, let's check the 1 hour time frame. Let's check the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, what we're seeing right here is that we're seeing that the market is buying on the 1 hour time frame. All right, now how do you understand this strategy using price action? Now you see that the market has sold for a particular period of time because this is a 1 hour time frame and each candle tick is completed per 1 hour. Right now, this market have sold for some hours, just as you can see right here, and it takes it will have been about 5 to 4 hours for this market to sell to this region, and what we're seeing here is a buy. So the next entry is a sell because this market will sell, right? This market would sell because what we're seeing is that the market has bought, and this is not just a small buy position. Now, if you take a look at it from this angle right here, you can see this market has bought until this point, right? The market has bought until this point, and right now the next step is for the market to sell. That's why you are seeing it on the 1 minute time frame. That on the 1 minute time frame, the market is at the overbought level, and the next step is for the market to sell because the market has gotten to the overbought level, right? The market is at the higher high, so the next step is to sell. All right, so whenever you want to trade, what you need to do is to confirm your entry from the higher time frame, right? I like using the 1 hour time frame before going back to the 1 minute time frame to trade. All right, so you confirm your entry from the higher time frame before you place your entry for either the 1 hour or the 1 minute time frame, or you can use 5 minute time frame to trade however you want to trade using the time frames. All right, now what we're seeing here is a sell market because the market would sell. So first of all, what I'm going to do right now is to show you few indicators you can use alongside with the price action for you to trade and be profitable on the market. So I just showed you a profitable trade just now that you can place a sell on this market, and this market will sell because this market is at the overbought level. This market is at the overbought level, and the next step is for the market to sell. What we're seeing here is a double top, as you can see right here. This is on this one, this one is 2. All right, now this market sold. Now it got to this point and it sold. All right, now it goes to this point. What we're seeing here is the sell entry point for this market. All right, just as we are seeing right here, the market is selling like I told you guys. So what I'll do is to pull in the indicators right here, go to the main window and choose on the RSI, the relative strength index indicator. We're going to put it on period 14 while I apply to close. I'm using MT5 for the strategy and not trading view. All right, so on the levels right here using MT5, what you do is to add levels. You put it on 90 right here and level 10. You add 2 levels, 90 and 10, then you indicate sell. All right, for the description you add sell at 90 and 10 at the and buy at the level of 10. The style right here, I use red color, Y on 2 pixel. Then the trend line should be this one on the middle right here. Then you clicked on done. All right, then the time frame is on all time frame, meaning you can switch to any time frame you prefer on default. Then the style, you're gonna put it on 2 pixel, while the color is gonna be on blue, but you can use any color of your choice as long as you know what you are doing specifically on the market, right? You can use any color of your choice on the market. Then the pattern of the trend line is going to be this one right here at the end. Then you click on done, right? So this is the indicator we're using for the strategy. But first, what you want to do is to change this pattern, all right? But you can use it if you want to, but let's change it up. So what I'll do is to go back to the indicators real quick. Go to the indicators, relative strength index. This one, we're going to put it on this first one, right? It shouldn't be on the last one. It's going to be on this first one. Then we'll click on done. All right. So this is the indicator, the RSI. All right. Relative trade index, the RSI. Then what we'll do is to put in another indicator. We can use the moving average of oscillator, but we're going to use the MACD, which is more accurate on for this strategy, which I'm going to show you guys. So we're using the MACD indicator. The fast EMA, we're going to put it on 12, slow EMA 26, and the MACD SMA is going to be on 9 while you apply to close. The levels, you don't add any levels, while the frame, the time frame is going to be on all time frames. The main color for the style is going to be on 2 pixels. The color should be on green, but you can use any color of your choice. You can use black color if you want to use black color. I'm going to show you how to use that, right? So I'm using black color right now. The signal is going to be on red color, while you can use 2 pixel. While the trend line is going to be the one on the first one, right? So if you choose on the first trend line, it's going to apply to the main style at the top below the signal, right? Then you click on done. So this is the indicator, the RSI and the MACD we're using for this strategy, and plus price action. Remember, I told you guys we're going to be using price action together with this MACD to be profitable in the market, right? So now guys, what we're seeing here, all right, because I'm using landscape mode, that's why the levels which I added, which was 19 and 10, isn't showing, but you can see this red line at the top and this red line at the bottom. This top one right here is level 90. Take a look at it. It's level 90. This downward here is 10. All right, it's 10. As we can see, down here is 10, upwards here is 90, while at the top right here is going to be on, here's going to be sell, here's going to be buy, right? So whenever it gets to this point, you take a sell. Whenever it gets to this point, you take a buy. So these are the two regions. With this setting, which I'm showing you guys right now, the RSI, once price get to the level here, meaning that price has gotten to the overbought level, meaning the level of 90. When price gets to this point, immediately price gets to this point, whenever the MACD has touched this level of 90, price has gotten to the overbought level, and when price gets to the overbought level, the market would retest, because it gets to a position where the market has too many buyers, the market would sell. All right, when the market has be buying, people will be buying the market, always the market will sell, because the price will be increasing because there are more demand in the market. So the market will sell. Will be increasing the prices, so the market would sell, just as we're seeing right here. Market would sell, and when price gets to this point right here, the market sold. All right, the market sold, just as you see right here. Again, the market sold. Right here there was a sell, and this market will sell because it has gotten to the overbought level, just as we're seeing right here. All right, now if I draw this trend line at this point right here, take a look at it, the market starts selling for this from that point to this point, and here is the market almost got towards the overbought level at this point. So there was a sell in the market. There was a sell in the market. Market bought. There was a sell. And whenever price gets to this point right here, just as we're seeing, the market will buy. So this is 10 level, and this is the price. The MACD is the price. When it gets to this point, the market will buy. All right, and you make good entry and you make good profit from the market. So before you place a sell or a buy, what you do first is to confirm the higher time frame. All right, so the reason I said you should confirm the higher time frame is because the market might be buying on the 1 minute time frame, but on the higher time frame, like the 1 hour time frame, the market could be selling. Right, the market could be in the sell position. So what I mean by a sell position, let me show you what I mean real quick. Now you see, this is a sell. All right, that is a sell, and this is a buy. All right, this is a buy, this is bullish, and this is bearish. All right, so now on the 1 hour time frame, the market can be buying, meaning that if you see that the market has bought on the 1 hour time frame, the market has bought, just like this point right here, the market has bought on the 1 hour time frame, and the market is buying on the 1 minute time frame. Know that the market will sell any moment from there, because the market has already bought, and you know that it takes 1 hour on the 1 hour time frame for a fully candlestick to be completed or to be created before the next breakout for either a buy or a sell. Right, it takes 1 hour for the next candle to be completed, just as we are saying. So this is a complete candlestick for a buy. So the next step is going to be a sell. All right, the next step is going to be a sell. So whenever the market bought on the 1 hour time frame, and the market is still buying on the 1 minute time frame, and it's a big buy, like the buy is a long buy, like the spike of the buy is long on the 1 hour time frame, note that the market is going to sell sooner on the 1 minute time frame, even in the 1 hour time frame, but you won't see it, that movement quickly, the way you see it on the 1 minute time frame. So the market will what? The market will sell sooner. So that's how you analyze the trade. Analyze your strategy using price action. You look at the price of the market movement of the price. You check it out on the 1 minute time frame. You go back to the one. You check it out on the 1 hour time frame. You go back to the 1 minute time frame to place your entries for either a buy or a sell entry. You get what I'm saying, right? You get what I'm saying, right? So we're seeing a sell entry at this point. The market will sell. This is sell position. All right, I hope you understand what I've said to you guys, and you can use these indicators to trade if you don't want to use price action, or if you don't understand price action, because price action strategy takes time. All right, it takes time for you to understand, it takes time for you to develop your strategy, it takes time for you to master your strategy. So whenever you're trading, time to time, you're practicing, time to time, you get understand the concept of price action, how to use price action steadily, and how to use it great in your trading. All right, so the more you practice your trade, the more you understand the patterns of the market structure, the patterns of how price moves in the market. All right, so I hope you understand what I've just said. All right, so if you found value in this video that I've just shared to you guys, do where to like and subscribe to this channel, the Daily Forex, for more trading tips and strategy. All right, I'll see you guys in the next great video.